Alright, view from the balcony. Get a little bit of a view of the Jomtien condos. So this is pretty flexible out here. No ceiling fan, unfortunately. And this is probably the most beautiful room, the game room with a bar. Can do some serious partying here. A little fridge back there. Get some pool. And this is he said he was gonna grow weed in here. So really nothing right now. I don't know what you can do in here. Kind of cool how the stars light up. This place is huge. A lot of wasted space, but I'm a renter, not an owner, so who cares? So this is a smaller bedroom, kind of whatever. Bathroom. More wasted space here. I don't know what the hell you're gonna do here. Outside's really nothing special. Master bedroom, pretty tight. Big as my condo, this freaking master bedroom and the closet. Shitload of closet space. Big shower. Boom boom for two. In the tub. Oh, there's so much wasted space. Sweaty God. Now right, Mama. Right. So this is bedroom number 3. They're using it as a kid's room. Oh, you know what? There's no beds. I bet you I would have to do something about the bed. Buddha room. Yeah, I'm sure I'll use that a lot. Downstairs guest bathroom. The agent, now right, Mama? Big freaking living room. Netflix and chill. Where's the wash clothes?
Wash car.
Clothes.
Clothes. Yeah. Wash clothes.
Chai.
Big.
Huge kitchen. Gas. Dude's got a oven. He was gonna do some bacon. Nice garage. Oh, dude. Shane, you're gonna love this bike, huh? Plenty of room out here. He said the gas cylinder for the stove was back here. Oh, okay. Shit. I bet that don't last too long. Reminds me of Isan. Alright, well, there's the place.